Hello kids! Today we are going to meet our amazing fruit friends. Let's go! Hi kids! I am Apple. I keep your tummy healthy and make you strong. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Banana, hello! I am Banana. I give you lots of energy and make you active before playtime. Mango, I am Mango, the king of fruits. I am full of vitamins and make your skin glow. Orange, I give you vitamin C to fight colds and keep you fresh. Grapes, we are grapes. We help your heart stay healthy and make you strong. Strawberry, yay! I am Strawberry. I make your teeth strong and keep your memory sharp. Watermelon, I keep you cool in the hot summer and give you lots of water. Pineapple, I am Pineapple. I help your stomach digest food easily. Papaya, I clean your tummy and keep you healthy inside. Pomegranate, I give you fresh blood and make you strong like a superhero. Cherry, we are cherries. We make you look fresh and keep your eyes healthy. Kiwi, I am Kiwi. I am full of vitamin C and make your skin bright. Coconut, I give sweet water that keeps you cool and fresh. Guava, I am Guava. I keep your teeth strong and tummy healthy. Lemon, I am Lemon. I am sour but I make you fresh and strong. I fight colds too. Peach, hello. I am Peach. I am juicy and keep your skin soft and healthy. Pear, I am Pear. I am sweet and I help you digest food easily. Blueberry, we are blueberries. We keep your brain smart and memory sharp. Plum, I am Plum. I keep your tummy happy and give you lots of energy.